Hey guys, I'm Rebecca, one of the health coaches with Symbol, and today we are going to be making an Asian-inspired dish with a little lighter twist. So it's called egg roll in a bowl. All the goodness that's inside of an egg roll, but a little bit lighter and a little bit lower on the calories. So let's get started. The ingredients for this dish are fairly simple. I have a bag of pre-shredded coleslaw mix, about a pound of lean ground turkey. You can use ground chicken or lean ground beef. Have a fourth of a cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/2 of a diced onion, 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of ground ginger with some sriracha and some sesame seeds for topping. I've sprayed my pan with a little bit of olive oil. It's set to about medium-high heat, and I'm going to go ahead and add my ground lean turkey. I'll also go ahead and add my diced onion and my garlic. We'll brown this meat. It should take about a couple of minutes. Now that our meat's no longer pink, we'll add in our coleslaw mix. We'll also add in our fourth a cup of low sodium soy sauce or coconut aminos, our teaspoon of ground ginger, and our tablespoon of sesame oil for taste. And we'll give that a big stir. We'll let our cabbage wilt down some so that it's slightly soft but still has a little bit of that crunch. It should take about 5 minutes on medium heat. Our cabbage is wilted down and now it's time to plate. This recipe is about 350 calories per serving and makes about 4 servings. Last but not least, we'll garnish with a little squeeze of sriracha for a little kick of spice and a little dash of some sesame seeds. You could add some cashews or some peanuts for a little bit of extra crunch, or you could also put this into some lettuce cups and use that as a little lettuce wrap. Thanks for watching.